CBAP for Analysts, Adapting to Industry Changes. CBAP helps analysts develop the necessary skills to navigate industry changes successfully. CBAP holders have a strong grasp of business analysis. They are better equipped to handle new tech, IT strategies, and business changes. How does CBAP enhance analysts' skills? CBAP prepares analysts to excel in business analysis. This includes market research, risk analysis, quality assurance, and process optimization. It also focuses on developing their leadership skills, analytical capabilities, and business acumen. CBAP holders can boost success by improving their skills. They should focus on communication, agile methods, and IT. They can drive success through continuous learning and managing innovation. What can analysts expect from the CBAP exam prep? The CBAP exam prep covers many topics. They include business process improvement, organizational development, project lifecycle, and business strategy. It also stresses good documentation, software development, gap analysis, and root cause analysis. Also, candidates learn about performance measurement, data visualization, KPIs, and business intelligence. These are all vital to effective business analysis. Benefits of CBAP certification for analysts. The CBAP certification opens new career opportunities for analysts. It allows them to take on more challenging roles. It shows their skill in user experience, systems analysis, decision support, and planning. The CBAP Certified Business Analysis Professional certification benefits business analysts. It can help them advance their careers. It shows a strong grasp of business analysis. This boosts credibility and opens doors to high-level and specialized roles. Conclusion. In conclusion, CBAP is a valuable certification for analysts. It helps them adapt to industry changes and improve their business analysis skills.